Good morning, students. Welcome to your another virtual class. Today we'll be doing articles. You're happy? We're doing fun with grammar book? Good. Let's see this lesson 7 what says. What are articles? Articles include words like a, and, the. So what are articles? There are three words which are called articles: a, and, the. And these articles are divided into two parts: definite and indefinite. Let's see what does that mean. If I say definite, definite means sure. Yes, something which we are sure about, what we are talking about. We are talking about something in particular. That's definite. The is called as definite article. Out of a and the is definite article. It is used to speak for something in particular, like we say the sun, the moon, the earth. Yes, we are talking about something in particular. Okay, if I'm talking about only my bag, so what will I say? The bag. If I'm talking about just your bag, then I'll say the bag. So I'm talking something in particular, then I'm using the. And they're used before both singular as well as plural noun. Yes? If I am talking, the example I just took of bag. If I'm talking about just one bag which is lying there in the class, so what will I say? The bag which is there in the class belongs to whom? And if there are more than one bags, so what will I say? The bags which are lying there in the class belongs to whom? So I'm talking specifically about the bags which are there in the class. So be it one bag or more than one bag, I'll say the bag or the bags. Yes? Now what about indefinite articles? A and an are called as indefinite articles. Why indefinite? Because it's used for common thing, common person. Yes? A person, an animal, an elephant, a banana, a book, something in common. We are not talking in particular. They do not point out any particular thing or person, just as we discussed right now. Yes, if I'm talking about any book, I'll say a book. But if I'm talking about a book which is there on the table, then I'll say the book. Yes. Now a and an are used with only singular noun. An apple, a banana, yes, a car, a house, a friend, an egg, an umbrella, only with singular nouns. Now let's see where we all use article an. Yes, they are used before the vowel sound. Vowel sound, not vowel sound. Okay, that sound should come of A, E, I, O and U. I'll explain you in detail. Let's start with simple examples like an ink pot, an umbrella, an orange, an egg. These all words are starting with vowel, but I'm talking about vowel sound. Let's see. Now here, before the words beginning with silent H, the words are beginning with H. If we are writing those words begin with H. But in sound, the words are not starting with H sound. Suppose an R. Do we say an hour or an R? H is silent. Yes. An honest person or an honest person? Honest or honest? Honest. H is silent. Honorable or honorable? Honorable or honorable? It's honorable. So such words also are preceded by an. We put an before such words. Before certain abbreviations also we just put an because the first letter is carrying vowel sound. MBA, M, A sound is there. MBA. It is not MBA. It is not MBA. It's M. So first, what is the first sound? A, M. Yes. Now NGO. We don't say NGO. We say N. In N, what is first sound? A, N. That's why these words start with, they are preceded by article N. Okay. Now where to use article A before the words beginning with consonant sound? A thirsty crow, a good friend, a beautiful dam. Yes. Now vowel sound will not be there, only consonant sound. Yes. We also use these before which the words which do not have the vowel sound. Like university, I say U. Y sound is there. Y is for Y. Yellow. In yellow, the sound is Y. In university, the sound is Y. U. University, Y. And then the word begins. University. Useful. Again, Y sound is there. That is the sound of Y. Though the first letter is vowel, but we are stressing on sounds. We are stressing on sounds. European. Again, Y sound. 1 rupee coin. 1. V sound is there. V. V sound is there in 1. So again, a 1 rupee coin. We will never say an 1 rupee coin. That's wrong. An university. That's wrong. Okay. Now where to use article the? The, of course, we are talking about something in particular. This is the bag you gifted me. I'm talking about some particular bag which you gifted me. So I'll use the bag. Sometimes the is also used in case of uncountable nouns like the water of Ganga, the water of river Thames, the water of river Nile. Yes. So here also we use the. Now there were other cases also where we are using the. If you're talking about something unique like the one I discussed at the beginning of the class, the sun, the moon, the earth. Yes. A class or a kind. Suppose I'm talking about the tiger is a national animal. So I'm talking about a group of tiger. A particular group which is given a name of tiger. I'm talking about an animal which is given the name of tiger, and I'm talking about that particular animal which is a national animal. Which is a national animal. If I'm talking about any tiger, then it will be a tiger. But if I am talking it in a specific sense, like it's a national animal, then we are saying the tiger. Yes? Names of water bodies and mountains. Water bodies, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Godavari, the Krishna. Yes? And mountains like the Himalayas, the Aravallis, which are there in Alwar. Yes? Now names of some famous buildings as well. We put the in front of them. Like the Red Fort, the Jantar Mantar. So these are the famous buildings. Yes, we put the in front of them. Now name of holy books like the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Mahabharata, the Quran. These are the holy books. Yes, the Guru Granth Sahib. So these all are the holy books and we put the in front of them. Now coming to newspapers and journals. Now what is journal? Journal is also newspaper or we can say magazine, but it is talking about some particular subject or some particular occupation, some particular job or some particular subject. Then it becomes journal. Okay, like the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Economic Times. These are all the names of newspapers. We always put the in front of it. before names of people's nationality, like the Indians, the Chinese, the Burmese. Yes? Then comes the superlatives. Of course, when we are talking about one out of the group, what we say? The best, the richest, the strongest, the weakest. Yes? The worst. This is the way we use superlatives. We always put the in front of superlative. Yes? So that was about the usage of a, an and the. These are three articles which actually are placed according to the roots. So children, just go through this video very nicely, very thoroughly, and try to understand how we use articles. Yes? Keep revising, keep learning, and also keep taking care of yourself and your family. Thank you everyone.